Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just showed you these headphones that Jeff loaned me, and I couldn't decide whether they were replicas or the originals. And I mentioned that I had something similar to this that were used by telephone operators, and I found them. I found them. By golly, let me take a look here. Move this out of the way. Here it is, right there. There it is. Well, my camera's out of focus here for a second. Turn it over. So there's the earpiece, and then there's the microphone. So it went over their head like this, and this thing's kind of heavy. And this is the connector I was talking about. Now this is a stereo connector by the fact that you have the input to the earpiece and the output from the microphone, so it's not really stereo. And notice this is the design I was talking about. This is hard plastic or Bakelite, and this unscrews. Let's see if I can unscrew this one. Maybe not. And there we go. There we go. So there's the here's where how this comes apart. And I was expecting that this other one from Jeff, if it was at the same era, it would have had this kind of connector instead of this molded connector. But like I said in the previous video, this part of the cable and the connector has been patched in. So I still don't know if this is a replica or an original. The headband is in the whole thing is in perfect condition. So that's why I'm doubting that it's an original replica. I mean original, back in 1920s or whatever. So I don't know. Jeff will tell us. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.